In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve, step by step, so you can quickly add a stylish digital distortion look to your footage. Whether you want to make a music video more energetic, create a textile intro, or just give your edit a more modern, aggressive feel, this effect is a great one to know. And the best part is, you can do it right inside DaVinci Resolve without needing any extra plugins. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. It really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're working on the edit page. The edit page is where you'll be applying the effect directly onto your clip in the timeline. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and open the effects library. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps all of its built-in effects, transitions, and tools, so if you know where to look, it's very easy to find what you need. Inside the effects library, go to Toolbox, then click Effects. This will show you the full list of available video effects. Now use the search bar and type Digital Glitch. As soon as it appears, you'll see that this is the effect we need for the glitch look. If you're following along, make sure you're selecting the correct effect so you get the same result on your clip. Now comes the simple part. Drag the digital glitch effect directly onto the video clip in your timeline. You can drop it right on top of the clip you want to stylize. Once it's applied, the effect is active, but the real customization happens in the inspector. So after adding it, move to the top right corner and open the inspector panel if it isn't already visible. In the inspector, click the Effects tab. This is where all the adjustable parameters for the digital glitch effect are located. At first, it may look like there are a lot of sliders, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the important ones one by one so you can get a clean glitch look or a more intense digital breakdown depending on the style you want. Start with the Position X and Position Y sliders. These control where the glitching blocks appear on the screen. If you move them around, you'll notice the distortion shifts to different areas of the frame. This is useful if you want the glitch to sit in a specific part of the image instead of affecting the entire screen evenly. Try small adjustments first, so you can see how the visual balance changes. Next, adjust the glitch width and glitch height sliders. These control the size of the rectangular distortion areas. Increasing the width makes the glitch blocks stretch farther across the image, while increasing the height makes them taller. If you want a chunkier, more aggressive digital interference look, raise both values. If you want something more subtle and refined, keep them smaller. After that, focus on the glitch chroma scale. This setting is what intensifies the separation between the red, green, and blue color channels. In other words, it adds that classic color splitting glitch feel that makes the effect look more dramatic and more digital. A higher chroma scale will usually create a stronger, more obvious RGB offset, which works really well for sci-fi edits, fast-paced cuts, and stylized transitions. Once you've adjusted those main controls, play the clip back in the viewer. One of the nice things about this effect is that DaVinci Resolve automatically generates a looping glitch animation based on the static settings you choose. That means you don't have to keyframe every movement manually just to get a dynamic look. The effect is already animated for you, which makes it quick and efficient to use in real edits. Use the red switch next to the effect name in the inspector to compare the original footage with the glitched version. This makes it super easy to check whether the effect is improving your edit or going too far. You can toggle it on and off quickly and instantly see the difference, which is great when you're fine-tuning the final look. So that's it. You now know how to create a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve using the digital glitch effect, how to adjust the key parameters, and how to control the intensity for a better final result. This is a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the style and energy of your video. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.